Hey, how's it going, guys? So today we are opening a smart door lock. So this is from Ultra Q. It's called the UBolt Smart Deadlock. They have different models. This one is for my in-laws. So I got it with a key, but they have another one with a fingerprint. I didn't think the fingerprint's as needed because you could either type in the code or you can use your app to unlock it, right? So here it is. I thought I got a brush color. I think, oh, okay, so it's only the outside's brush. So as you can see, here it is. So let me take this off out slowly here so I don't break anything. Here, how about I just take this whole thing out? Oh, okay, there we go. Okay, so here's the lock mechanism. Here's the back of it. Metal, and plastic, because the battery goes here. And here's the other side of the lock. Oh wow, I didn't give you all this. Door stopper. Awesome. Batteries. Some bolts. And let's see. I read online they said these are Schlage keys. Or similar. So you could get them copied. So these are different lag bolts. And these are pretty long, so that should make your door even more secure. And here's the new lock mechanism here. The bolt and the catch here. And I'm not too sure what this is. Probably a screwdriver, maybe? Yep. Here's a screwdriver, so it comes with that. And here's the plate. The little door plate. It goes like right there. Here's the Wi-Fi bridge. Very cute. And here's the door lock itself. So let's get a closer look here. So this is metal. So the cool thing about this is that if someone's to watch you type in your code, they won't understand or get your code. So let's say my code is 555. When I go up to the door and they're kind of watching me, I can just do like 83109555556, and the door will open because it knows that you had the 4 5s within inside this whole, whatever combination of keys you type in. So that's a cool feature. So they can't really peek over your shoulders. But of course, if they see you type 5555, they might be like, hey, what would you do 5555? But anyways, that besides the point. So no matter what, you could type in a couple codes before, any code you want, then type in your real code, and then add some fake numbers at the end, and that way there's almost no way that they can copy it. And plus, you're pressing buttons of like up to 10 to 15 keys, and that would make it really hard for them to try to get that from you. And I think that is it. Yep, that's it. So they say that this will be able to take up to 80,000. Well, let me pull up the ad here so I can give you better and accurate information here. Basically, this battery should last. Okay, so you could open and close your door up to 8,000 times with using the 4 AA batteries. I have a Schlage at home, and you could kind of hear it when the battery's running a little lower, because when it rotates the door, you hear, instead of the strong voot, it'll be voot. So that means the battery's low, and that's usually when I switch it out. But the app itself would tell you the percentage. But electronics and apps is just, you should always listen by ear too. That should be your first instinct. Other than that, this should be a real fast install. I will have to clean my doors a little bit just to make it look a little nicer. I don't really feel like painting it, but I just have to do that. Stick this in, and then this goes in from behind with the plate, and yeah, this should be a very fast install. I'm pretty excited. Oh, it's called anti-peep keypad. So you could type in like a random 5 digits, and then you could type in your 5 digits, and then there's another random 5 digits at the end. But like I said, this has the Bluetooth smart connectivity, so it should unlock. You could share e-keys to someone, and then you could disable that key instantly as soon as they use it, or just in case your parents come over or the gardener needs to come into the house, and you could set them a key, and as soon as they're done, you could just disable that key or remove it. And of course, you can also unlock it through like Google or Amazon, and you can do it remotely. So if you didn't create a code fast enough, you just say, hey, I'll unlock the door for you. Here we go. Doop. And I think that's about it. So this basically gives you 5-in-1 keyless entry smart lock. So there's 5 different ways. I don't have to check this one out. So shake your phone to open. I think that'll be the cool part, because a lot of people you just want to get up to your door and have it unlock, and I'm going to see if it does that. Okay, so here we go. I'll just give you a quicker repeat look. Nice close look here. The keys look has a nice click too. And of course this lock to unlock. Okay, and of course everything here is nice quality metals, so that's a good thing. And of course it comes with the Wi-Fi bridge. Alright, so leave a comment below, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll get some more cool gadgets and tech to unbox for you. Alright, and I'll probably just I could do like a photo of before and after. I don't know, I don't think anyone really cares too much, but I'll probably go install this as soon as I end this video. Alright, I'll leave you there.